Good morning, student. Today we will learn about rest paragraph of this lesson 3, the story of my experiments with truth, written by Mahatma Gandhi. First of all, we will know about word meaning of this lesson. Diminish to decrease यानी कम होना. Distaste, a feeling that something is unpleasant. Pilgrimage, a journey to a holy place for a religious purpose. Indelible, impossible to forget or remove, जो कभी हम लोग भूल नहीं सकते, जो हमेशा याद रखने वाली चीज हो. Agonized, expressing severe pain and lament and expression of grief or suffering. Dear student, now we will know about rest paragraph of this lesson. Paragraph is, therefore I would do the lesson but often without my mind in them. Thus the paragraph, two other incidents belonging to the same period have always clung to my memory. As a rule, I had distaste for any reading beyond my school books. The daily lesson had to be done because I disliked being taken to task by my teachers as much as I disliked deceiving him. In this paragraph, he said that two other incidents belonging to the same period, एक ही समय में दो घटनाएं होती हैं, have always clung to my memory, जो उनके हमेशा यादगार में होता है. As a rule, he had a distaste for any reading beyond my school books. He had a distaste for any reading beyond his school book. The daily lesson had to be done because he disliked being taken to task by him. Next paragraph is, therefore I would do the lesson but often without my mind in them. Thus, when even the lesson could not be done properly, there was so of course no question of any extra reading, but somehow my eyes fell on a book purchased by my father. It was Sarvan पितृ भक्ति नाटक. I read it with intense interest. One of the picture I was shown was of Sarvan carrying by name means of slings fitted for his shoulder, his blind parents on a pilgrimage. The book and the picture left an indelible impression of my mind. Here is an example for you to copy. I said to myself, the organized lament of the parents over servant's death is still fresh in my memory. There was an incident occurred in his life that one day Mahatma Gandhi saw a book that was purchased by his father. Name of the book was Sarvan Pitri Bhakti Natak. Dear student, as you know, श्रवण कुमार की कहानी आप निश्चित रूप से जानते होंगे। श्रवण कुमार माता पिता की भक्ति करते थे और अपने कंधे पर अपने अंधे माता पिता को स्लिंग में बैठा करके और तीर्थ यात्रा करवा रहे थे। दिस स्टोरी he read and the story affected her life, and he thought that he would serve their parents. Next paragraph, there was a similar incident connected with another play. Just about this time, I had secured my father's permission to see a play performed by a certain dramatic company. This play, Harishchandra, captured my heart. Other incident was that he was secure his father's permission to see a play performed by a certain dramatic company. एक नाटक कंपनी के द्वारा नाटक दिखाया जा रहा था, उसमें अपने पिता से परमिशन लेकर के वो नाटक देखने जाते हैं। वो नाटक का नाम था हरिश्चंद्र। वह नाटक उनके हार्ट को कैप्चर कर लेता है। कैप्चर हिज हार्ट, he could never be tried to sing it, but how often should he be permitted to go? It haunted him, and he must have acted Harishchandra to his times without number. Why should not all be truthful like Harishchandra? Was the question he asked himself day and night. नहीं, वह अपने आप से क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे कि हम लोगों को भी राजा हरिश्चंद्र के जैसे सत्यवादी होना चाहिए। And last paragraph, to follow truth and to go through all the ordeals Harishchandra went through was the one ideal that inspired in me. I literally believed in the story of Harishchandra. The thought of it all often made me weep. My common sense tells me today that Harishchandra could not have been a historical character. Still, both Harishchandra and Sarvan are living related for me, and I am sure I should be moved as before if I were to read those plays again today. Both story, Sarvan Pitri Bhakti and Raja Harishchandra, were affected his life. He was inspired from this story, and he thought of it all often made he weep. The thought, his common sense tells him today that Harishchandra could not have been historical character. Still, both Harishchandra and Sarvan are living realities for him. And he sure he should be moved as before if he were to read those plays again today. इन दोनों कहानियों से काफ़ी इंस्पायर्ड हुए, काफ़ी प्रभावित हुए और इन दोनों कहानियों को पढ़ करके वह अपने जीवन में उन कहानियों को फॉलो किए। श्रवण कुमार के जैसे वो पितृभक्ति करने लगे और राजा हरिश्चंद्र के जैसे वो सत्यवादी हो गए और सत्य के मार्ग पर चलना शुरू कर दिए। इसलिए प्यारे बच्चों, आपको भी इस तरह की कहानी को पढ़ करके अपने जीवन में उसे फॉलो करना चाहिए, उसे अपने जीवन में उतारना चाहिए। डियर स्टूडेंट, आई थिंक you understand this story, and I believe that you follow in your life. Okay.